just riding back now, riding back home. So thought I'd make a little video just to show what goes on, I guess. And yeah. Pretty beautiful road, this one. It's a concrete road because it floods. It often floods here, just in that section, But Tianjin does have flooding, actually. Like, it does have flooding issues. This is an announcement to my subscribers. I'm going to pay for a subscription to an editing program, because I think I've learned about as much as I can learn from YouTube. Just in terms of like uploading videos straight from a phone. So this has been like a pretty good learning process. So I've learned how to do that. But now it's time to I guess keep learning. I better cross the road now. Go with the flow of traffic. I just finished teaching at a school. It's a pretty good school. It's a very good school. High school, so 16-year-olds, 17-year-olds, 18-year-olds. And I actually played a couple of the classes, like the Wim Hof breathing method, just to help them to sort of, I guess, relieve some stress. It's definitely helped me during this COVID time. I think it's helped a lot of people, especially when it was like still relatively unknown. Yeah, it just really helped me. So I just shared it with the students because they're dealing with exams and they obviously don't have the experience yet to understand their education in its context. You know, they're riding the wave, they're not watching the wave break, so to speak. Yeah, I shouldn't run red lights, but if you don't run red lights on a bicycle, it's sort of like, you know, good on you. I mean, you're not going to get a medal. You're just going to take an hour to get anywhere, basically. and time is finite. And yeah, I'm a little bit, I wouldn't say tired, but I'm a little bit tired. Yeah, I'm a little bit, I wouldn't say tired, but I'm a little bit tired. I don't know, that sounds silly, but I do feel a little bit out of balance is probably the best word. Like, it was hard getting up this morning. I met a friend yesterday who has lived in China for a long time, and he's a nice guy, and he's just come up to sort out some personal stuff, and so I was talking to him a little bit, and a couple of other friends, and then I met another friend, and yeah, it was a pretty good day. It was a pretty good day. I didn't drink much alcohol. I had 1 pint of Guinness that I drank over about 2 hours, you know, because I'm just sipping, and had a little bit of watered down wine a couple of hours later. That's my friend's new hobby. My friend's new hobby is drinking watered down wine, so that was pretty cool. And we ate some delicious food, and I actually met a pretty important guy just off chance, a very important man. I'm not going to say who he is, because well, that's not what you do, and I'm not going to say what his title was, but he's an American guy, and yeah, that was pretty cool. I mean, he was a really nice guy. He was a really natural guy. I shook his hand, and I don't think I spoke directly to him, but I shook his hand and spoke indirectly to him, I suppose, is the best way to put it. And yeah, that was pretty cool. He was a nice, normal guy. He was really interested in my friend's story, so that's always reassuring when those kind of people are just nice, normal, down to earth sort of people. But I wouldn't want to get on the wrong side of it. But yeah, that was interesting. And then having fun, ended up leaving this little bar at about 12 o'clock, and I rode as fast as I could to get home. Got home at 20 to 1. This restaurant we were in, this pizza restaurant, it was really, really hot. So yeah, I had to have a shower, and then I just went to sleep. Slept pretty well, slept well. Got up at 6, and yeah, left the house at 7. Nearly home. And then I have my university class. Which is my main job, and I'm looking forward to that. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, such is life. Dirty car there. Come from Liaoning, I think. looking at the license plate. So all of the different Chinese cities have their own license plates, like Australia, like America, but they're all blue. With white lettering, and the Chinese character for the province is on the left-hand side of the license plate. So the Tianjin one is obviously the one that you see a lot in Tianjin, but you do see cars from other places, and it's very common to see cars from Hebei, which is the province that surrounds Tianjin. And actually, that's interesting. Just as I'm talking about this, I saw a car with a Shandong license plate. So that's the province to the south. And if the license plates aren't blue, they're green, because the green shows that they're electric cars. Yeah, there's a vehicle over there. I'm not sure. I think it might be Anhui. I'm not sure. I think it's Anhui, but I'm not sure. But yeah, this is a pretty normal way for me to ride home. This is the way that I ride home from the center of town. Yeah, there's a vehicle with a green license plate. I'm going against the traffic, but everybody does. Everybody does. On this stretch of road, everybody does. Little dog. I'll try and make this light. Yeah, I did it.